The Uptime Care contract uses your truck's connectivity to provide real-time updates and precise maintenance. Every new Volvo truck is delivered with a service plan customized to its requirements. This approach allows us to continuously adapt and optimize your plan based on the actual condition and usage of your truck. We remotely monitor fault codes, selected components, and usage, ensuring your truck gets exactly the care it needs when it needs it. This proactive approach forms the foundation of our service contracts, allowing you to choose the contract that best suits your needs. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your truck's workshop visits are kept to a minimum and designed to get you back on the road as soon as possible. The Uptime Care contract takes service planning to the next level.